Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to bypass Infinix Hot 10 Play. Firstly, download and install the latest universal MTK drivers for your Windows PC and reboot your computer. Download the MediaTek FRP bypass tool from a trusted source. Extract the tool and open it. Open MediaTek Universal Tools and click on the Tools button. Select drivers and choose the correct drivers for your Windows. Run the installer and wait for the installation to complete, then reboot your computer again. Now, launch the MediaTek Universal Tools again and from the list, select Erase FRP and press Start button. Turn off your Infinix Hot 10 Play and press and hold both volume buttons. While holding the volume buttons, connect to the phone to the computer using a USB cable. The software will detect your device and start the FRP unlock process. Wait until you see a success message on the screen. Once you see success, disconnect the USB cable, close the MediaTek FRP bypass tool, and turn on your Infinix Hot 10 Play. It should now boot without asking for a Google account. Just complete the setup process without any FRP lock restrictions, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.